You need a good pressure washer, check this bad dude out. 3600 psi. It's got multiple tips, so you can change it. Pretty sweet. Let's see what it does.
Do what?
Yeah, yank that motherfucker.
I'm too cold for that.
Yank it like a man.
Let's go fall off the table. You're tangled.
Check this out. This thing works better than a leaf blower. Watch all these leaves. All right, so I use this thing, and it worked great. It has a, this is where you put your hose in, but it has a reservoir and everything you need to run soap through it, which is cool. I don't think I'll personally ever use that because I just use pressure to clean stuff. This engine, ran good and strong. It seemed like it And I was expecting for it to be a lot quieter, but it reminded me of a Briggs and Stratton motor. I can't compare it to that because this is new and I just had it, and it's hard to compare anything in the world to a Briggs and Stratton motor because they've been around and they're great. I don't know who makes this motor. Maybe they make them themselves, but it ran good. It was a good strong motor. I ran it for like 3 hours, no problems. Only problem I ran into was if I kinked my water hose, then it wouldn't, you know what I mean? I have to go find a kink. Other than that, this is a good pressure washer. I didn't use all these heads, but I've used a model, a pressure washer just like this before. I think this is the main one that I used. It works great, and I'm glad I got it. If you need one, check it out. You could get if you click the link in the description, there's a code where you could get a discount. I'm going to break this bad boy out, spring, and run it. Everything up. I pretty much raked all my leaves with it. I mean, there's still leaves everywhere. I have an Osage orange tree, and that thing has leaves until there's snow on the ground, so there's nothing I can do. But I got rid of a good bulky amount of them just by pushing them out with that pressure. And I washed a couple of these old crusty cars out here. Not that I care if my cars look clean because they're crusty ass work cars. But that thing will strip the paint off of something if you need it to. That thing's pretty strong. Thanks for watching. See y'all later.